Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a flip through of my 12 by 12 pocket page scrapbook. This one is for 2020 and I am proud to say that is complete, including just like I think a spread or two for December. There are just pictures that didn't make it into my December daily this year, and I fit everything into one binder, which is also a good thing. And one thing I will say as well is that I was kind of nervous that it wasn't going to fit in one binder, because despite it being a pandemic, I think I was so nervous to make sure that Valentina was happy, safe, and entertained that I printed a lot more pictures this year than I have in the past. So before, like I used to have maybe two, maybe four, like so one, and then turn the page, you know, spreads for a month. And in this book, I swear, like in April, there are like 9 spreads. So I definitely printed enough pictures to remember all of our time at home. So I did do quarterly flip throughs of this. So if you have any questions on supplies, let me just make sure I have my camera situated. Just leave them in the comments down below, and I will try to remember to put the quarterly flip throughs that I did have here. So let's get started, and I'll just put on some music so that you don't have to hear me talk and you can just see a flip through. So we started.